The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday, last trading day before Christmas. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Good morning, Mr. G. Good to see you, and Merry Christmas to you. 1 second here, and we'll check the markets as it's rising up. Get some Christmas music on in the background. One sec. There we go. I'm not hearing anything. There we go. Alright, now we can check the markets. The market. We dipped and then came back up, nearing the highs of the day. Overnight low on ES, 47.85. High was 97.25, so we double topped right there. So 97, it's a 12-point range. NQ low was 891, high 956, about 60 points in range. Copper, pretty mellow, only about 50 ticks of range. Gold absolutely took off though, up about 20 points. Ultraviolet was taken off as well a bit. It has about 1.5 points of range. Crude oil, trying to get back up to 75. But over 1 point range. Natural gas is kind of wonky. And Bitcoin's at 43.5. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. NQ moving up. Didn't trade here before the stream, or else that would have been a nice grab right there. We'll grab the next opportunity, shall we? Is everybody in that Christmassy feeling? Hey Kevin, how you doing? We're dashing through the market in a 1-ox open sleigh. Over the EMAs we go, profiting all the way. Up here to new highs a day. We do have a pretty big amount of news, I believe, at 8:30 with US PCE price index, Canadian GDP, US durable goods, and a bunch of other smaller ones. US consumer spending. At 10 o'clock, we have University of Michigan sentiment final and U.S. new home sales. So lots of news here on this last trading day before Christmas. Oops. There's a little bit of red. I'll hide it with it. Yeah, oh, I like that, kinda. Yep. Really, oh, big move there. The Dow, 24 points. Saw a headline that Nike stock is having issues today. Got moved down there on Microsoft. So let's take a look at that and see if there's really something going on there. There's Nike futures, really? Oh, yeah, that was yesterday. Wow. That's a late headline. So that's one of the reasons for drop yesterday. Look at that. Nike dropped 122 down to 108. I wonder what happened there. Still rising up. Last chance for a Santa Claus rally. Kind of watching this pop. Everything's trying to move up today. Gold's had a pullback, but it's trying to come back up. Are we going to skip back to 17,000? Yesterday's high. Late afternoon. 966, 970. So 970 was yesterday's high on NQ. We're about 12 points off of that right now. Kind of leveling out here at this level. Leveling out here at this level. That made sense. Full candle. I kind of like it. Let's see if it holds. Oops. Guess it held. We're short. Ah, not what I wanted to do. Where's my stop? Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. ATR is less than 3. We're going to move our target up here to the EMA. Yeah. About a 4-point target. Hey Mohith, how you doing? How's it going? On 8 ticks. There we go. Getting a little bit of move down. Might want to bounce there. Maybe not. Come on. There we go. Our target was hit. That was a nice $85 trade to start the morning. And we could have got the full 5 points off of it, but I'm happy with that. And there we go. There's a bounce right back up, or trying to. Not going to take that blue candle, though. Bouncing all the way back up that whole 5 points. Hey, Chris. How have you been? Where you been hiding? Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully your schedule gets better. Love to see you around some more if you have a chance. They're popping right back up. I didn't trust that blue candle, but Just kind of watching this. We got a gaggle of news in 15 minutes. Back up to that almost 958. Overnight low. Yeah, easy for me to say. Overnight high 970. See if it wants to get back up there. Just kind of relaxing and watching the price action for now. Last day before Christmas. Could be choppy or could be exciting. Nobody really knows for sure. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hanging it out here at 958. ES 4797. Dow's popped up to 37,661. So it's December 22nd. Who has shopping to do yet for Christmas? Well, my shopping's done. Hey, Ahmad, how's it going today? Hope so as well. We'll see what those news catalysts do in 10 minutes. We'll continue to rise up here. Very slow grind. Good luck, Ahmed. Tuesday, Ahmed. Hey, Mr. G. In case you didn't hear me earlier, Mr. G, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Thank you for all your support this year. And Q, still grinding here. News coming up here in 9 minutes, I'm at, and then we also have news at 10 Eastern. Yeah, that's it for the day. There's like nothing on the schedule after that. So yeah, U.S. PC price index coming up, U.S. durable goods, Canadian GDP, all that coming up at 8:30, so in about 7 minutes. Then at 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sentiment final and U.S. new home sales. Trying to get up to 17,000. Oh, yeah, we're still pretty far away from that 37 points. Are trying to get yesterday's high. As Mr. G said, we broke yesterday's high on ES and Q. Not quite there yet. 970. It's 6 points away. G, how are things been going? You haven't been around as much lately. We miss you. Trading been going well? Nice rise up here. Now I didn't trust this blue candle, but I should have probably trusted that one. It's going 5 points there. I could have added 5 points to it, but hey. We'll just kind of stay flat until news as we watch this rise up. It could depend what the news says. Hey, cool beans, how's it going? Still haven't gotten to yesterday's high. It's getting close, but still haven't gotten there. News less than 3 minutes away. Morning, Sid. Merry Christmas to you. Pulling back here just a tad. News in 1 minute. I don't know where we're going. I only know where I've been. How you doing, Borneo? Thank you as well, Sid. I appreciate it. Yes, it is on Monday. But I'm kind of saying it now to everybody, because I'm not streaming Monday. The darn market won't open on Christmas. Hey, John. Yes, Gaggle news in 20 seconds. And what do you think of that Japanese pitcher's contract? Pulls back here, like 3, 4 points, and here is the news. Whoosh. ADFT, whoosh, and then whoop. I need a better sound for moving up. Anyway, hit yesterday's high, passed it. Now we're unsure where we're going to go. Gold falling, like 3 points. NQ unsure where it wants to go. All the indices are kind of unsure. U.S. consumer spending month over month, actual 0.2, forecast of 0.3. U.S. durable goods, actual 5.4, expected was 2.3. U.S. core PCE price index, U.S. PCE price index year over year 2.6, the forecast was 2.8. U.S. core, U.S. PCE month over month, actual negative 0.1, forecast was 0. Big move down there now, down 21 points on this candle. Yeah, I definitely agree with that. Although, I mean, technically he turned down the Mets and the Yankees too. The thing with Japanese players is they want the West Coast, so there's almost always a disadvantage for anybody else, even if they have deep pockets. Euro heading up. Dropped about 27 points. You see the 3-minute chart hitting the 100 EMA. I don't believe you, Beans. I don't believe you one bit. Every day you say you're done for the day around this time, and every day you still trade for the next couple of hours. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I do agree, John. It's also weird that the team has to pay a posting fee to the Japanese team. Possible little bounce back up here. I think they still need more pitching. Bounced in the hold. Bouncing and holding. Popping up. Wow, it's a significant pop back up. Yes, it was. Without chips, even. Merry Christmas, JC. You're doing well today. Cool beans, I like anything with cheese. Cheese is responsible for at least 15 points of my BMI. So popping right back up. So the market hated the news for all of 4 minutes, and now we're back to a new high day. It's a pretty refined thing there for someone who lives off grid. Ooh, wow. Burn and boost, whatever I'm trying to say. Big boost up to 16,990 ES. All the way back up to 4803. I know, I'm just joking around, bud. Gold's trying to regain what it lost as well. What did the Ultra Bond do? I totally forgot about the Ultra Bond. That's what happens when JC comes in late. I totally forget about the Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's pulling back. Copper's trying to pop up. BTC's trying to pop up. Philip hasn't been around as much lately. He makes me think of the Russell. And Q pulling back there. Taking a short. I'm late, as usual. How late am I? 84 a minute. Ooh, wow. 2.5 points late. So we'll keep our target at only 5 to try and, because it should have been 10, but wow, it shot down and then came right back. There we go, shooting down again. There we go, target hit, 5-point win. We're at 176 on the morning. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, John. Bounces right back up. Nope, I don't drink coffee. I have nothing against it. Soda's more my thing. Diet soda. And I want to start drinking more tea. Specifically green tea. Nice job, John. I don't really, I'm not like a tea connoisseur. Cool beans. I buy green tea from Walmart. My cat has decided to join me. He says Merry Christmas. Maybe we can get him on camera later. Big blue candle there. I can barely see over the cat's big butt. Can no longer see the chat. Cat is in the way. Dude, if you don't be good, your Santa's not going to bring you anything. Still rising up here. Well, it hit 17,000. We're at 980. I'm sorry, 997, 998. Grabbing my phone so I can see the chat. Oh, y'all ain't saying anything anyway, so that's okay. So 25% good rate there, huh? That's not saying much for the guru industry. Purple candle. Look at it. It's looky looky. And not real into it. Dude, if you sit on my keyboard and take a trade, I'm gonna have a problem. Where'd you see a 20% discount for Topstep? I might have missed that. That explains the commission I got for a weird amount yesterday. It's a good idea, John. Are these gurus charging for these signals, or are they free? Pulling down here a little bit. Less than 45 minutes till the bell. Gold rising up, back up to 2078 there. Cat has finally left my desk. We can all rejoice. Are the 3 free ones any of the ones that are actually good? How about that? Amazing, huh? Pushing down here, so that purple candle there was good. 89 down to 82 would have been a 5-point win. Huh. Think about these paid services, and I could be wrong, but I bet you that, if you analyzed, their trades, you can figure out what their system is anyway. I mean, I could be wrong, but Hanging here, 16,889, 989. Sorry. It was trying to get up. It did hit 17,000 earlier. I missed that. 17,000 when the cat was up on my desk. So I hit 17,000 and then go further. It's kind of bursting up there to new highs. 48.06. Ouch, John. Ouch. A few minutes till the top of the hour. And there's a break of 17,000 back up. How many people here still do actual paper mailing Christmas cards? Hey, Jay Cook. Used to be fun watching the mail, see what Christmas cards were coming in. Pulls back slightly again. Back under 17,000. Couple minutes to the top of the over a minute to the top of the hour. 2 for 2 on trades this morning so far, up I think I said 176. And we'll see what more we can get on this final day before Christmas, final trading day before Christmas. Hopefully everyone has their shopping done. There's the top of the hour. Nothing really knocking our socks off. Crude oil pulling back. Now pushing back up. Usually the top of the hour brings us something, but today it didn't. How are we all doing out there? Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Reminder that for some reason or another, and I still haven't figured out exactly why, but I'll be appearing on camera later on.
Hey, Crypticon, good to see you. Merry Christmas, my friend. Hope you and your family have a great one. And Q definitely level here. Trying to pull back some. It's fighting 17,000. All right. I have answers, probably. Go for it, Crypt. Yep. John, I expect to be here Tuesday morning. Crypticon, you can cash out 50% after 5 days of $200 or more profit, or after 30 days of $200 or more profit, you can cash out all 100% if you want to. They limit that whole 50% so you don't like take out all of it and blow the account. But yes, you can get the full 100% at another point. Basically, the buffer is the whole 50% thing. So like if you make $200 every day for 5 days, you're up $1,000. You're only allowed to withdraw the 500, and then your drawdown's going to go to the original balance. So it's best to build your own buffer there. Once I'm funded with Topstep, my goal will be to I won't take anything until I have at least 3,000 in the account. That's my goal anyway. But really, there's no forced buffer, but the 50% helps with the buffer. Still hanging right around 17,000 here on QES 4807. 37,700 on the Dow. Absolutely, Crypticon. Absolutely, Crypt. Not that I've ever had that issue, but yeah. We are just totally sideways here at 17,000. The market's lost its oomph. We're oomphless. Ace and RJ should be rolling in soon. Well, no mott merch exists yet, but maybe. Just going nowhere right now. Our ATR's falling back down to 5. Where are we gonna go? I don't know where we're going. We have news coming up at the top of the hour. University of Michigan sentiment final and U.S. home sales new units. Pulling back here a little bit. Just a tad bit. Just a tad. Crypt, your kids all ready for Christmas? They excited? Sid Chase has bought 27 chickens. He can now substitute chickens for one of the 12 days of Christmas. Congratulations, Sid. You can start sending me eggs. I don't know. Ahmed's kind of disappeared. Work keeps interfering with his trading. A little spike up there, back up to 17,006. I was wondering what the heck I was reading there, JC, but I just left it go. I figured I knew what you meant, but he hasn't taken any trades yet or gotten a vaccine, JC. Hey, Ace, how you doing today? I'm not sure what that spike was about. We're hanging around 17,000 again. Your kids all ready for Christmas, Ace? How's that, Ace? Oh, there's a breakout. Up to 17,014. Yeah, I mean, Ace is way older than 19. I shouldn't say way older, I'm assuming. That's an interesting candle back down there. Hey, what the heck? I like it. I love it. We'll see if it gives me 5 points. I have a huge collection of baseball cards. Taking it off there for 40 bucks. It's been hanging around this 17,000 area, so I'm not sure. And it did pop back up. I got out at the right time there. So 3 for 3 in the morning, up $212 now. Very choppy. Less than 15 minutes till the bell. Yeah, but it's trading on an eval, so it's not real money, so. It's just glued to the 17,000 area.
Trying to rise up again, but you can see it's not really getting either direction. At about 10:30 Eastern is when I'll appear on camera. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do the whole Christmas appearance like I did last year again this year, but some reason people asked for it, so I'm doing it. Still have no idea why I did it last year. Hey, RJ. Ace, you're here every day. Hey, there's some good stuff at the dollar store. Right now, there's nothing good as we hang around 17,000. If once trading ends for the day, I'm actually going to try and do something I very rarely do and close everything down and not look at a chart until Tuesday morning. Oh, just Tuesday, or are you leaving the entire week? Or and yes, I do like to know ahead of time because like if people don't show up, they're normally here. I'm like always worried something happened. You know, like when you don't, if you wouldn't, if I didn't know you, you were planning on taking off, I'll be worried that you like went out and searched for Vincent and got lost. All right, John. Yeah, you did. While stealing Legos.
papaya. I forget. Some tropical fruit. YouTube works on a phone. Oh. I'm kidding, John. Enjoy your vacation. Everyone should take some time away from trading and all this other stuff at times. And next week's price action could suck anyway, since it appears volume drops. Maybe I should stream next week. It appears there's not going to be anybody here. Purple candle here. 5 minutes till the bell. Ooh, that was a little burst. Sounds like everyone's going on a diet for the new year in Ace's house. Yeah, it's glued to 17,000. Look at this 3-minute chart. You know, look at this. Yep. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Dashing through the market in a one-ox open sleigh. Over the over the EMA we go, profiting all the way. Cool Beans got really quiet. That's unusual. Where are you at, Cool Beans? Did you leave? I was kidding about you continuing and not continuing to trade. Were you not as good then as you are now, Ace, or did he just constantly lose? Quick boost up there, back up to 17,005. And right back down. Last trading day before Christmas. Hard to believe. It's amazing how when you're a kid, the whole month of December seems to move so slowly. And when you're an adult, whatever I'm trying to say, it just seems like it flies by. One minute to go. One day you're watching a Hallmark Christmas movie on Halloween, and the next day it's like Christmas Eve. Till she gets eaten by a bear. Probably satellite or Starlink. Kind of like cool beans. 5 seconds to go as we push down. Ding, 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 ding. Silver bells. Silver bells. It's Christmas time. That market open. Oh, sorry. Pushing down, but it's still confused. Now pushing up. Pushing down. Yep. Yeah, YM not popping. ES really not popping. It's already away on the Christmas holidays, except for the NQ people, apparently. That's pushing up to 17,016. How many people just looked for the symbol SIM to figure out what ace is going on? Now Dow's woken up. Now everything's kind of waking up. Best part of waking up is a couple of points in your cup. Two fake points. So does that mean you could get like those fake food toys to feed your family? Got up to 17,022, pulling back now. Yeah, there we go. Very indecisive. Yes, it is, but I mean, you can make little jokes about things. It's not hurting anything. But yeah, food insecurity is a thing. I've dealt with it in the past. It's something we need to help eliminate. As we head up here, big old candle there on ES, 6.5 points. Dow up 65 points. Are we going to have a sneaky trend day? As they say that, it pulls down. Wow, quick move back down. 11 points, 12 points, 13 points. About ready to break 17,000 back down. And we're doing more news at the top of the hour. It's a big candle. 20 points. It's purple, but I don't like it when it extends almost band to band. And that's why. See how that popped right back up? Now I'm going to try it. I like it when it pops up and then comes right back down. It's not moving fast enough for my taste, though. There we go. Oh, bad bounce. I'll take it off. I'm not sure I got anything. I got $25. I should have had my target right on that band. It's working its way back down. It retested, coming back up, and oh wow, look at that bounce. So yeah, I should have had my target on that band, and I could have got $100 off of that. Still a winning trade, but not by much. Where's the cat now? There's a mouse on my desk. So pop back up there. We're back under 17,000. Dow continuing to rise up. See how this purple candle did work. Or is working, I should say. Still trying to push down. Struggling in this level though at like 89.
Everyone got really quiet. Popping back up with a blue candle there. Not sure I want to trust that. Strong blue candle, that's 15 points. Snaps right back though. I'll be back in 1 minute. Have returned. Did y'all miss me? Hello, Mr. Freeze. Good morning and Merry Christmas. A nice little pop-up there. Doesn't look like it's sustaining though. Alright, good luck, Ace. Yep. Another nice boom up here. Bounces off that band. Okay, get through. See, the high is in 17,022. Nice, Ace. That was Sim as well. Alright, new high, 17,025. So AQ and ES try to get up to where we got on the Wednesday. The high there was 17,073 on NQ. Yes, the high was 48.30. Can it get back up there? These are the questions we ask. Remember, we do have more news coming up in 15 minutes. Be careful around that. So that blue candle I didn't trust there ended up being really, really good. Pulls back there. About a 15-point pullback. Right away. Blue candle's back. Blue candle's messing with my head. We're long. It's gonna stop me out. Excuse me one second. Back. Seeing where we want to go. We're back in the green. Doesn't seem to want to break for me. Come on. Breaking up is hard to do, but you can do it. We got news in about 10 minutes.
Still doesn't want to break up further. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Yep, come on. My target is the high. 37. 20. Well, actually, it's one tick above the high. Boom! Target hit. There we go. We are now 4 for 4 on the day, up $429. Thank you, DFT. Thank you, Ace. Excellent, RJ. Definitely a good day today. 4 out of 4. ES still rising up there. 48.20 Dow up to 37.863. Santa Claus rally. Ho ho ho. Remember, we got, as John reminded us earlier, red folder news coming in 6 minutes. Wow, Ace, you'll be having an amazing day if you weren't on Sim. ES is actually pulling back now. Here's a pullback on NQ as well.
Pushing back up. Another blue candle. And there's the yes pushing back up. Everything's pushing up. News in 5. News in 5. Snoozing in 5. No, snooze. Trying to push down again now here. Oh. You said you weren't going to trade today, Ace. Yeah, okay. You're right. I apologize. I apologize. Nice push down here. Probably should have grabbed that purple candle. Me being on camera really isn't that impressive. But I do, I do have a pretty nice background on the camera. And I shaved last night. Got rid of the beard. Nah, regular shirt. Next year we'll do a Christmas sweater when I'm a much smaller person. Y'all notice that you really don't see me much below my neck. Purple candle. Hanging around 17,023. Got a dangling purple candle there on the ES as well. And the YMNES. There's the news. It's all wonky.
University of Michigan sentiment final. Actual 69.7. They're expecting 69.4, so just a tiny beat. U.S. new home sales actual 0.59 million. Forecast is 0.69 million. So that was a pretty big miss. Pushing down. Is it going to re-break 17,000? That's the questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Popping up. Watching and waiting for maybe a next opportunity. Gold's been riding up. Let's see what everything else has been doing. I really haven't looked at everything today. A little bit of a pull down on Ultra Bond. Gold made a new daily high all the way up to 2082. Wow. Copper rising. Crude's kind of choppy. Natural gas falling. But NQs are rising. I see a bad NQ arising. I see trouble on the way. I'll be doing it around 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, 8:30 Mountain Time, 7:30 Pacific. It's about 25 minutes away. It's trying to push back up here. Could give us a blue candle. Blue. Grandma got run over by NQ. Pulling back to hit it, stop. You can say there's no such thing as stop hunts. Pushing back down. So I tried and it failed. I thought about going short there. I should have. Definitely should have. Nice candle there. Very nice candle. The kind you could get for your in-laws. Hey, Luis. How you doing, my friend? So yeah, I'm up 400 and something today. 4 for 4 trades. Nice, nice, LSD. Excellent. Gonna buy up all of Texas, or no, it's sine waving here. Down, up, down, up. Which way does it ultimately want to go? Which way will it go, George? Which way will it go? Trying to give me a blue candle here, possibly. Gonna watch it and wait and see if we have another opportunity here. How's everyone else done today? We know Ace is green. I think RJ is green. What DFT? Excellent. RJ. Devastating, John. Devastating. You feeling FOMO to try and get that $11 back? Blue candle there on the 3. See, we're kind of curling upwards. Band's coming down to meet us, though. Just kind of watching here. It's lost its oomph. Yeah, it's not going anywhere right now. Are you trying to go long or short there, RJ?
uh, well, yeah, looking at this, and there's been opportunities to go long. It's the opportunities seem to be getting smaller and smaller as we go. It's just kind of losing its oomph. Got to think that the European traders are already taking off for their Christmas break, and you might be seeing seeing it lose oomph early today. I didn't even think about it when I said it, but yeah, I was looking at the chart and I couldn't tell, and that blue candle could have faked me out right there. In other words, trying, but I'm staying at this point. I'm staying flat. But if you want to look at my strategy, I didn't take it, but look at this. Had that little bit of red in the RSI down here. There's a green candle coming up out of the bands. This would have been a 15 pointer right here. And technically, if you wanted to go for more, which would be probably stupid, but it would have, you'll still be in that trade. It's like up here, had a little green. Could have taken that short right there. Or any of those purple candles short on the way down. Up, down, just no direction. No direction, not even one direction. There's a pull down. Gold's pulled back a little bit. I didn't even look at agriculture. Ooh, agriculture is looking kind of chubby. Although soybeans is taking off. Gold's had a really nice run today. I guess everyone's wanting silver and gold. Ultra Bond's kind of sad today. And crude oil is hanging around 70, under 75. Have a good one, Crypticon. Merry Christmas. So back down to getting closer to 17,000 now. So a little bit of a breakdown. Yeah, it's working. Is it gonna get down to 17,000? Nice drop. Nice drop. What are you targeting, RJ? Beautiful drop there on gold. That'd been nice. Yep, bounce there. Got down to 17,002. Bounced off that third band.
Ah. Oh, quick fall here by about 8 points. NQ back up to 17,020. Dow and ES also trying to pop back up. Yeah, I've noticed you've been taking more trades since you've been on NQ versus YM. Hey, nice pop back up, and honestly, that was a trigger for me there. That green candle bouncing off that third band, bouncing off the 100 EMA as well, and we had red down at RSI. That was a perfect setup. The only thing it wasn't is it didn't go far enough to be a blue candle, but still, that was a definite entry there that was missed by me. Market kind of lulled me to sleep, and okay, give me a couple minutes here, guys, while I get the cam set up. I'm gonna be quiet for a second. I can use the okay. Had to test the mic. Okay, can y'all hear me? Still can't get the cam right. Hold on. I think we got it. Okay, let's try this. Close. Go back there on NQ. Merry Christmas, everybody. How y'all doing? Oh, that's too low. Hold on. There. That looks better. I did this last year. Don't remember why I decided to do this last year, but apparently people wanted me to do it again this year, so I'm doing it again this year. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you for all your support throughout this year. I, of course, appreciate it so much. Probably still wouldn't be doing this trading thing if it wasn't for all of you. So, definitely, y'all mean a lot to me. I don't know why I use y'all. I'm not Southern, but anyway. Y'all are seeing and hearing me, right? Someone say something in the chat. Um, Definitely thank you all for the support throughout this year and everything you've helped me with. Keeping me in this game of trading, keeping me somewhat sane. I think I did. Yeah, that's not a real. That's a background, John. It's not my house. It's just a background I put on. My house looks very horrible. I hope to have a real house like that one day, but that is not mine. That's just the background that I found on Google. But yeah, I really like that background. I've actually had that background on my as a wallpaper on my computer. So anyway, definitely, I'm looking forward to 2024. Definitely looking forward to continuing this trading thing. I think, I'm just about there where I'm going to start seeing some consistency. Just need more confidence. But like I said, I think there was one time this year that I stopped streaming for like 3 days and was ready to quit. But I think we've gotten past that. I love this community. It's been so fun to see it grow and see the great people that have been part of it. Hate losing people because people have disappeared on us again. Unfortunately, that's just the way of the internet. But yeah, it's definitely makes me happy. This community and just a quick Christmas message to basically say that. Yeah. And I'm wondering if Ace got lost. He was looking forward to this. Where are you, Ace? So I'm still watching NQ do nothing. So I, don't know what else to really say. Thanks. That's like I said. That's just a background. That's not my house. I put a background on because my house is like horrible. Hey, Sid. Well, success with trading is not really there yet, but we're getting there, and I feel like the goal is payouts in 2024, and I really feel I'm going to get there. I can't say I had that feeling at this time last year, so, but this year definitely I feel like. And all the support you guys have given me with the whole YouTube stuff, and, using my links to get your evals with various companies and what all. That's kept me in the game financially as well, and I really appreciate that. Yep, I beamed down there quick. I needed a better background, Sid. So, but yeah, you guys mean a lot to me, and one day we are going to do that whole meetup thing. I have a lot of personal goals I need to attain too, not just the trading stuff, but getting myself in physical shape so I can actually enjoy payouts. So that's something I'm going to be hitting. I'm trying to hit hard after the new year as well. I actually been thinking about doing maybe a video series on that journey as I try to finally conquer this. And I'm grateful you found it too, DFT. I'm glad you're here. Nice to talk to somebody about the area I consider home. Area I hope I get back to. Yeah. So I may start including some more of my personal stuff here and there. The weight loss journey and all that. Hey, Ace. As I try to conquer my demons in that area. Purple short. A second, I need to find my chart. I might take a trade. No. Decided against it. So, I do hope to have a real house like that sometime. Oh, shoe fly pie. I miss shoe fly pie. And it was a nice treat every now and then. It wasn't my favorite, but yeah, shoe fly pie. You too, John. I'm so glad to have you here. So glad you have been a part of this community for over 2 years now, I believe. I thank you for all your support, John. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas. Hey, Mrs. Ace. Merry Christmas. I should have took that short, by the way. So, to everyone, I hope we all take 2024 and make it our year. And we can celebrate together next year. Same time. And I'll appear on camera swimming in dollar bills. No. But yeah, it's been a fun year. You know, ups and downs, of course. But you know, you guys get me up every morning. I'm not sure that would happen if I didn't start this whole streaming thing. I'm a morning person in the past. Hey, Mrs. JC, how you doing? Merry Christmas to you and your family. Popping back up. So yeah. Merry Christmas, one and all. Merry Christmas, everyone. Or any holiday you happen to celebrate. We will continue celebrating our highs and commiserating our lows as we continue this journey together. That's awesome. I'm glad to hear that. It's still, I mean, it still blows my mind that people go out of their way to tune in every morning to this live stream, and you know, other people in the house listen, and people listen in their cars and all that. It still blows my mind. As I said before, when I started this, I expected like maybe get 5 people, and that was about it. And we're heading back up nicely here. Another nice bounce. But yeah, not sure what else to say. I'm just so appreciative of all of you. It is mind-blowing, and it's kept me sane at times, and it's done so much for me. Next year, hopefully, maybe I'll be able to afford to get that VCAM logo off my chin. Also, hopefully my chin would be much smaller. Yep. Have a great New Year, great holidays, JC. We'll see you in the new year. I appreciate that, Ace. I really do. Maybe next year when I appear on camera, I'll be able to see more than my head and neck. I agree with that. It's nice to have people to talk to. Said, I'm glad I don't have to type like you all have to, because the whole typing thing gets harder. But yeah. Hopefully we can keep, finding good people to join the community and continue to grow our little family here. Watching the price action again, not do anything. So, about 15 minutes on camera. That should be good for the year, right? A second here. Blue candle. And then I figured out how to use backgrounds. One of the main reasons I don't go on camera is just because, my background and where I sit, there are people walk behind and all that other stuff. The other reason is I don't want to end up, like, forgetting I'm on camera and picking my nose or something. Hey, there was an appearance on Topstep TV in between there. Our high was 17,041 earlier. To try to make another run up, it's at 17,032. Still shocks me that I do these on-camera things. It still shocks me that I stream, although I no longer, I no longer have any nervousness about streaming. But in real life, I'm an extreme introvert. Always have been. You take the good, you take the bad, you take them both, and there you have facts of life. Pulls right back, did not get up to highs. answering somebody on Discord. Actually, I think that was yesterday, Ace. Wasn't it? That's why I... Yeah. Yep, first day of winter, although it does not feel at all like winter. How did I do that? What did I just do to the... Oh, I accidentally moved the camera when I was typing. I kind of like that, though. That's better. It's supposed to be like 60 here on Christmas Eve. Last year it was like -10. No, I really couldn't. I got my two screens here, but my desk is an absolute. Looks like a bomb went off on it. I'm very messy. Oops. I moved the camera again, and I'm almost totally off screen. Oops. There we go. Pushing down a little bit here. uh, One day I'll have a house that looks like that. Although I prefer multicolored lights to white lights, so the tree would have multicolored lights. About 10 minutes left to go until Christmas. Well, until we end, and then Christmas comes in a couple days. They said my goal was to actually shut everything down at 3 and actually try and figure out how to relax. I think I've forgotten how to do that. Popping off the 100. My face blocks the ES for you guys. Oh, one last time, I do want to thank everybody for all your support this year, and I want to wish you all Merry Christmas, and if you're not going to be here until after the New Year, Happy New Year. And any other holidays you might celebrate. It, say all your support means everything to me. I'm going to shut the camera off now. I feel like I'm just kind of babbling anyway now. You too, Ace. Hey, Rallo, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. Yeah. Put it on your calendars. Let's see, September. Ooh. I guess September 2nd. The first falls on a Sunday. So, yeah, September 2nd. Who knows? Maybe before. Go. So, just a few minutes to go. Hopefully my head will be smaller next time. Not because I met a witch doctor that did shrunken heads. Yeah. And we missed a little move coming down on NQ, but nothing to write home about. That's it, you don't write home about that, dear mom and dad. I missed a move on NQ. Sincerely, your son. Yeah, it is a huge disappointment, isn't it, RJ? Yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have yourself a great holiday. That said, flying cars would be dangerous. I've seen people drive on roads. I can't imagine what would happen if they were in the air. And last call for likes. Want to give me a Christmas present and you don't want to give me 10s and 20s? Hit the like button to help the YouTube algorithm out. 10s and 20s comment, of course, from
Charlie Brown's sister on Charlie Brown Christmas. Market did just dip below 17,000 again. And Q, you should say the market in Q. You see the Dow dipping and the ES dipping. So I think that's what we're going to call it today, guys. Once again, I wish everyone a very, very Merry Christmas. If you're not planning on stopping in next week, a very Happy New Year. Looking forward to another great year with everybody. Oh man, I gotta take the decorations down over the weekend. Anywho, we shall see you on Tuesday if you're here. If not, at some point in time. Have a great one, John. Everybody, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. We'll see you Tuesday. And of course, I'll be on Discord if anyone wants to be on Discord. Bye, all. Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.